Hello viewers, welcome to Gadget Space. Today I have this JBL Xtreme with crackling sound problem. Let me show you the demo. Actually, what is the problem? Turning on the speaker, pressing this Bluetooth button to pair. Speaker is connected. Now playing the song.
Hold me close till I get out the wastelands through the highways, and on
Alright, this is the crackling sound. This is a complete distortion in the speaker, and the reason behind the distortion is the speaker drivers here, and this is the original speaker driver which is for sale. It is attracting to each other. Coming closer here, this is the original JBL Xtreme Bluetooth speakers driver which is harvested from original JBL Xtreme itself from the working speaker, and this is the tutor which is harvested from JBL Xtreme. You can see. Alright, now I am going to replace this driver in this JBL Xtreme so that the crackling sound distortion will go away, and this speaker and tweeter is harvested from original JBL Xtreme Bluetooth speaker, and these speakers and tweeters is for sale. You can buy a single tweeter or single speaker, or you can buy all these speakers. If you want more than this, I can provide. Now let's continue the video by replacing these drivers and show you the proper demo. After replacing, the distortion will go away. So let's start taking out the speaker and replace this speaker. Alright, now creating the space to replace the driver. Alright, now I will show you how to replace the driver. I am going to use this driver and this driver. It is very simple to tear this down. Very simple steps. Just follow the steps. Like this you have to pry this. Alright, now after prying like this, now you have to remove this screw here. You can see, taking out this screw. That's it. Now you can take out the mesh here. Keeping this cover separately. Now let's see what is the issue. You can see here it is completely torn. Coming closer here. So the air is leaking from this driver, which sounds very harsh and distorted. This speaker is perfect, I think. Yes, this is perfect. Now replacing this one driver is more than enough. So I am going to replace only one driver here. Just take out these 4 screws and this driver will come out. Let me show you. That's it, 4 screws has been removed. Now I am just prying from this point. Speaker will come out easily. That's it. Speaker has come out. Now there are 2 leads here. One is positive and this one is negative. You have to remove these 2 to replace the driver. Just by pulling it will come out. That's it. I have removed this distorted speaker, the torn speaker. Keeping that aside, and now I am going to install my speaker which is for sale. You can see, you can compare this. This is 100% same. You can see these numbers also, because this is harvested from working JBL Xtreme. You can see here GG0284 is the series. Here you can see GG0284 is the series of this serial number series of this JBL Xtreme. Alright, now this is the tone speaker, which I am going to keep this separately, and now I am going to insert this pin here. That's it. Now this one positive, that's it. Now I am going to put this back in this housing. That's it. Now I am going to put the 4 screws back. It is as simple as this to replace. And even if you have any DIY projects where you are creating any Bluetooth speakers by your own ideas, you can use these speakers instead of local speakers which is available online. This speaker is not at all available in the complete YouTube platform. You can check, then come here to buy. And this price is very, very cheap. I am going to reveal. That's it. Now I am not going to put the cover, just I will show you the demo here, turning on the speaker. Let's see how this sounds. It is connected. Now I am going to play the song.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Alright, there is not even a little bit of distortion. This is perfectly working now, because I have replaced this original JBL Xtreme's driver here, this one. And even you can see that these tweeters which I have shown, which is for sale, this is the perfect matching of this tweeter. You can see, just you have to remove these 2 screws. Now I am just keeping this near this speaker. You can see this tweeter is 100% same, because it is harvested from JBL Xtreme itself. So to replace this, you have to remove these 2 screws, take out the tweeter, and just remove the 2 wires from these lids inside, and connect that lids here, and put this tweeter back and put the 2 screws here. That's it. Your tweeter will start working. Similarly, you can use this for other drivers as well. And to buy these speakers, you can directly message on the above WhatsApp number, which is shown in this side. You can directly message to that number to buy these drivers. Alright, I am just winding this up. I will assemble this grill later. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Gadget Spares and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching here. Bye.